Hello, this is Omar Abbas, evertz Senior Product Specialist for our AV division. Welcome to ISE 2020. This year we're showing off our NUCLEUS routing platform used for applications such as digital signage, video wall applications, routing applications as well. Great system, easy to deploy and maintain. We ensure that gateways and encoders and decoders can be added within 5 minutes or less. It consists of three main elements. Of course, you got the NUCLEUS Session Manager, which is basically the control system. We've got the different flavors of gateways that we provide with the solution, and it works over COTS network as well. One of the great features, again, like I mentioned, with NUCLEUS is extremely easy to deploy and maintain, supports 1 gig SFPs, 2.5 or 10 gig SFPs as well for higher resolution, zero latency purposes and applications. This year we are introducing new gateways such as the UXP TXS, simple gateway, one HDMI input or one HDMI output powered over PoE, and it also supports 232 or 422 serial control as well. Another gateway we're actually introducing is the UXP TRXS 2.0. So basically supports one HDMI input, one HDMI output at the same time, and also gives you the ability to route video over USB 2.0 for applications such as a lot of the cameras nowadays have the ability and the capability to send out video over USB. So for applications, for such applications, this gateway would be great. Another cool item we have on this gateway is the ability to support SDI as well. So small little box, fanless, PoE powered, that supports 232, 422 control, serial control, SDI, HDMI inputs and outputs all over one little box powered by PoE. Thank you. Please visit us at av.evertz.com.